students. How are you? That's nice. You are welcome to today's lesson. And last time we looked at sources of energy. Sources of energy. And we said that energy is got from different sources. So, how do we call this? Who can tell me, students? Very nice. It is wind power station or wind farm. Wind power station or wind farm. Very nice. What about this? What is this? Thank you. It is hydroelectric power station. Hydroelectric power station, where we get the hydroelectricity. Okay? Thank you. So again today, let's look at other sources of energy. We want to look at how energy is got from these sources. And we have this. What is this? Students, have you ever seen this? Yes? Oh no. Okay. It is called geothermal power stations. Geothermal power stations. If it is one, it is called geothermal power station. But these are many, they are called geothermal power stations. Okay? Geothermal power station. Thank you. Let's look at how electricity is generated from the geothermal power station. 1. We have in geothermal power station, the energy from deep inside the earth is used to make steam. What do we mean? There is energy deep inside the earth, so it is used to make steam. As you can see in this photo. Then the steam from down, it spins the turbines which generate electricity. Let's see. Where you see one, as you can see, cold water is pumped down. They get cold water and they pump it down. When it reaches down deep inside the earth, that water becomes hot. Okay? As you can see here, where we have number 2. When water comes from 1, it is cold. Once it reaches down, since there is energy, it becomes hot. Then now this water, it comes up, where you are seeing number 2. Steam and hot water, it goes up. When it reaches up, it will spin or turn the turbines, which generate electricity. Okay? Thank you so much. So that's how we get electricity in the geothermal power stations. Thank you. Okay, students. Next, let's look at this. Fossil-fueled power station. Fossil-fueled power station. So, in this is our fossil-fueled power station. How does it work? In fossil-fueled power station, fossil fuels such as we have coal, we have natural gas, and we also have, we looked at coal, natural gas, and what else? And petrol or oil. They are burnt to produce steam. When the natural gas, coal, they are burnt to produce steam. Then the steam spins turbines in the generators to generate electricity. Do you understand? As you know that we looked at examples of fossil fuels. We looked at natural gas, we looked at coal, we also looked at petrol. So those ones, they are burnt, and then the steam from them spins turbines in the generator to generate electricity. Okay? Thank you so much. Students, let's look at this. This is called solar thermal power station. Solar thermal power station. Solar thermal power station. How does it work? So that is our solar thermal power station. In solar thermal power station, we have this, which is called solar receiver tower. Solar receiver tower. So that is the solar receiver tower. Sunlight from sun is reflected to a solar receiver tower by using mirrors. As you can look down, we have mirrors. Mirrors. M-I-R-R-O-R-S. Mirrors. So the sunlight from sun, it is reflected by mirrors to solar receiver. Then the sunlight energy is converted into heat energy. Do you understand? That sunlight energy which is reflected to solar receiver by mirrors is converted into heat energy. Then the heat energy is used to heat water. They get water, then they heat it using the other heat energy which was converted from sunlight. Then that heat energy, they use it to heat water to a high temperature to make steam. So after heating water, water will make steam. So that steam is used to spin turbines in a generator to generate electricity. Do you understand? At first, the sunlight energy is reflected to solar receiver tower by mirrors. Then that energy is converted into heat energy. The heat energy is used to heat water. When water is heated to the high temperature, it will produce steam. So that steam from water is the one that is used to spin the turbines in the generator to generate electricity. Okay? Very good. Okay, students, let's look at this also. This is called a photovoltaic power station. A photovoltaic power station. How does it work? In a photovoltaic power station, we have these solar panels. Solar panels. S-O-L-A-R-P-A-N-E-L-S. Solar panels. These solar panels in a photovoltaic power station, sunlight is converted into electricity directly by using special solar panels. For it, it's not like in solar thermal power station. As we have looked at in solar thermal power station, the sunlight is first converted into heat energy. But in a photovoltaic power station, sunlight is converted into electricity directly by using the special solar panels. Do you understand? Thank you so much, students. So, students, all that we have looked at today, students, it is in your textbook on page 91 to 92. Okay? Thank you so much, and in the next lesson, we shall look at using electricity. We shall look at how to use electricity. Okay? Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.